Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English B grammar page number 7. Topic is digraph and trigraph. Students, now let us start topic digraph. When two letters of the alphabet combine to make one sound, they are called digraphs. For example, digraph SH sheen sound. Words are sheep, shock, shelf, fish. Next, digraph CH calf sound. Words are course, mechanic. Next, digraph CH chase sound. Words are chop, chill, cheat, chin. Next, digraph CH sheen sound. Words are machine, chandelier. Next, digraph th the sound. Words are thin, thing, throw. Next, digraph th dal sound. Words are this, that, the, them. Next, digraph gh fe or ghe sound. Words are laugh, rough, ghost, cough. Next, digraph ph fe or phe sound. Words are phone, photo, shepherd. Next, digraph ck calf sound. Words are clock, thick, duck, truck. Next, digraph wh wow sound. Words are what, where, when, why. Next topic, trigraph. A group of three letters which give one sound is called a trigraph. For example, TCH in the word switch is a trigraph. Next, words with TCH: latch, pitcher, scratch, kitchen, butcher, snatch, watch, dispatch, pitch, ditch, scratch, sketch, Dutch, matchbox, match, stitch, ketchup, witch, hatch, fetch, bewitch. Next, words with IGH: high, sigh, thigh, bright, fright, night, flight, fight, tight, light, right, etc. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.